Tapan chatted with Sanjeev for a few minutes more and then went on his way. Tapan chatted. Chatted means, what is the meaning it's written here? Chatted means talked. बात करना, बातचीत करना. तपन ने संजीव के साथ भी थोड़ी सी बातचीत करी थोड़ी देर के लिए. They both chatted with each other, and after that, after talking about the hat, after that Tapan went away from there also. It was the habit of Santosh and Sanjeev to stop their work every day at noon and have their lunch together. Now they used to work in their fields differently, separately. दोनों की fields, दोनों का काम अलग था, लेकिन उनकी आदत थी. They were in the habit of taking lunch together at noon. Noon means दोपहर का time. तो वो lunch साथ में खाते थे मिलकर. So on this particular day, as the two friends sat together and ate their meal, Santosh remarked, "Did you notice the fine new red hat that our neighbor Tapan was wearing today?" अब जब दोनों साथ में बैठे हुए थे, while they were having their lunch, they started talking with each other about Tapan's hat. तो संतोष ने कहा, संजीव क्या तुमने आज तपन की हैट को नोटिस किया? देखा कितनी अच्छी लग रही थी वो, रेड कलर की, रेड हैट. My dear friend, I think your eyes have been blinded by the bright rays of the hot sun. उसने कहा रेड कलर की हैट. ओ माई डियर फ्रेंड, आई थिंक योर आईज हैव बीन ब्लाइंडेड बाय द लाइट ऑफ द सन. तुम्हारी आंखें के आगे अंधेरा आ गया है, तुम्हें शायद दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. रेड कलर तो नहीं था उसकी हैट का. In fact, Sanjeev replied, in fact, he told me that he was lucky to find paint of the exact leaf green color he wanted. बल्कि उसने तो मुझे ये बोला that वो इतना लकी था कि जो ग्रीन कलर, लीफ ग्रीन, पत्तियों जैसा ग्रीन कलर वो चाहता था पेंट करना अपनी जापी पे, वो कलर उसको एग्जैक्टली मिल गया. So he painted his hat with green color. Now see, argument position start हो रही है. Both are correct on their part. ठीक है, संतोष ने जो कलर देखा he is describing that. संजीव ने जो कलर देखा he is describing that. Both have seen the different colors, so they are describing in their own manner. Tapan's hat was definitely not green, Santosh said firmly. It was a bright, cheerful red. In fact, I admired its color. Now Santosh said firmly. Firmly means determinedly. बिल्कुल उसको विश्वास था. No, it was not green. बिल्कुल भी green नहीं था. It was totally red color. वो रेड कलर की हैट थी और मैंने उसकी हैट की तारीफ भी करी थी. I appreciated his hat. Your eyes are not working properly, my friend, said Sanjeev with a sigh. Sigh means गहरी सांस लेना. जोर से उसने सांस ली. उसने बोला, मेरे दोस्त, तुम्हारी आंखें काम नहीं कर रही हैं, शायद तुम्हें ठीक से दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. You have mistaken a green hat for a red one. तुम्हें गलती हो गई है, तुम कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो ग्रीन और रेड हैट के बीच में. Then the two friends began to argue. तब दोनों में बहस शुरू हो गई, लड़ाई टाइप शुरू हो गया, फाइटिंग आर्ग्यूमेंट शुरू हो गया. With each other, one insisting that he was right. एक दूसरे से वो लड़ रहे हैं और अपनी बात पे इंसिस्ट कर रहे हैं. इंसिस्टिंग का मतलब होता है फोर्सिंग. वो कंपेल कर रहे हैं, वो प्रूफ कर रहे हैं, वो क्लेम कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, माई थिंग इज करेक्ट. जो व्हाट आई हैव सीन द कलर, दैट इज द ओनली कलर ऑफ द हैट. Their argument became more and more heated, and just as the two friends were going to punch each other, their neighbor Tapan suddenly appeared. अब उनका जो लड़ाई था, जो आर्ग्यूमेंट था, जो बहस शुरू हुई थी, वो धीरे धीरे करके एक लड़ाई के फॉर्म में बढ़ती जा रही थी. Heated up means getting angry, furious. और ज़्यादा गुस्सा बढ़ रहा था दोनों के बीच में. They both were getting furious. So ये देखकर As they were about to punch, इतनी नौबत आ गई थी कि वो एक दूसरे को हिट करने वाले थे, मुक्का मारने वाले थे, पंच मारने वाले थे. तपन came over there. तपन आ गया एकदम से वहाँ पे, उनका जो पड़ोसी था, जो नेबर था. He suddenly appeared. Hey, he said, what's going on here? Why are you both of you fighting like this? I thought that you were the best of friends. Why are you fighting like this? What's the matter? I thought, Tapan is saying, I thought that you were the best friends. What happened now? Santosh and Sanjeev stopped fighting for a moment to stare at their neighbor. This time, Santosh saw the green side of the neighbor's chapi. Now what happened? They both stopped. On hearing Tapan's voice, they stopped for a minute. And now Santosh saw the green side of the neighbor's japi. Now he saw the green side of the neighbor's japi. Oh, my friend Sanjeev, he said, his voice full of regret. You were right after all. Tapan's japi is, as you said, green in color. My eyes, as you rightly said, must have been dazzled by the sun. Or said, oh my friend Sanjeev, you are right, you are right. As you were saying, the color of Japi, it's green. Yes, you are correct. It's green. It's green in color. Yes, really, my eyes are not working properly. They have been dazzled by the sun. Dazzled means shone brightly. तेज चमक. जब हम सूरज को देखते हैं तो हमारी आंखें जो होती हैं, we are not able to see the sun because the light of the sun is so bright. इतनी चमकदार होती है कि we cannot directly face the light, है ना. तो उसने कहा कि ऐसा मुझे लगा that मेरी आंखें क्या हो गई हैं, अंधेरा हो गया. I cannot see the things. My eyes are not working properly. What are you making fun of me? I can see clearly that Tapan's Japi is red. Sonjib replied. The two friends glared at each other and got ready to start fighting once again. Now Tapan ने क्या किया? What Tapan did? Tapan he turned the face of the Japi. उसने टोपी को घुमा दिया. अब जो red side था that was for the other friend and जो green side था वो उसने revert कर दिया, उल्टा कर दिया. Now again they started fighting. अब red वाले को green and green वाले को red दिखाई दे रहा था. Now again they started fighting with each other. Then Tapan laughed, took off his japi and showed it to them. Then he laughed again, and now what he did, he decided to finally reveal the thing, what is the actual matter. उसने वो जापी उतारी and showed it to the friends कि देखो, see, one half of it was green and the other half was red. He painted one half it was red and the other half it was green. Then he said, both of you were right about the color of my japi, but you were both wrong about your friendship. My dear friends, आप दोनों बिल्कुल सही थे. जो कलर आपने देखा वही आपने डिस्क्राइब किया. Isn't it? जो हम चीज सामने देख रहे हैं, that only is correct for us. No, that is the only truth what we are watching in front of our eyes. So उसने भी यही बोला कि जो तुमने देखा you were correct, जो इसने देखा he was correct. But what was wrong is friendship, the trust. तुमने उसकी बात को विश्वास नहीं किया, तुमने उसकी बात पे विश्वास नहीं किया, दोनों ने एक दूसरे पे विश्वास नहीं किया. You cannot be the best of friends if you cannot look at both sides of a question without losing your temper, getting angry or fighting. The color of my japi was not so important that you should fight over it. आप दोनों ने, वो समझा रहा है उनको, he is explaining them, he is telling them that you cannot be, आप अच्छे दोस्त तब तक नहीं हो सकते जब तक आप एक दूसरे का विश्वास, एक दूसरे का ट्रस्ट, एक दूसरे पे फेथ नहीं करते. What your friend said you would have trust for once. What he said you would have trust for once. एक बार विश्वास करके करना चाहिए था. But you didn't do and you both started fighting. You both were correct. Here the color of my japi was not very important. He said कि यहाँ पे टोपी का रंग जरूरी नहीं था. What was important was the trust. If I am saying that this color is green, so you would have trusted. Yes, हो सकता है. My eyes are not properly working, but you didn't do that. Tapan explained this. You started fighting. You are right, of course, said Santosh. I now know that my friendship with Sonjib matters more to me than whether your japi is green or red. उसने संतोष ने कहा, yes, Tapan, you are correct, right, of course. I now know, अब मुझे पता चला कि मेरी दोस्ती संजीव के साथ मैटर ज़्यादा करती है, ना कि तुम्हारी जापी का कलर. Means now I realize that my friendship with Sanjay matters a lot, not the color of your japi, whether it is green or red, ना कि तुम्हारी जापी का कलर. Sanjay nodded. Nodded means the movement of the neck. Nodded, गर्दन हिलाना. संजीव ने भी कहा, गर्दन हिलाई, उसने भी कहा. We will always remember this event, he said, and think carefully before we start arguing about small things again. We will make sure that our friendship always stays strong. So Sanjeev also said, he also agreed to Santosh's words कि yes, from now onwards we will remember this event. Event means happening, this incident. ये जो आज हमारे साथ हुआ, हम इसको हमेशा याद रखेंगे और कभी नहीं भूलेंगे. And बिफोर स्टार्टिंग एनी आर्ग्यूमेंट, कोई बहस करने से, लड़ाई करने से पहले हम इस बात को ज़रूर याद रखेंगे कि हमारी दोस्ती ज़्यादा मैटर करती है. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वी विल मेक श्योर दैट आवर फ्रेंडशिप स्टेज ऑलवेज स्टेज स्ट्रॉन्ग. और हमेशा ये कोशिश करेंगे, विल ऑलवेज ट्राई दैट हमारी दोस्ती मजबूत रहे, बनी रहे थ्रू आउट आवर लाइफ. वी शुड नेवर हैव सच एन आर्ग्यूमेंट विच कम्स टू एन एंड ऑफ आवर फ्रेंडशिप, जो हमारी दोस्ती को तोड़ दे. So this was the story, very interesting. From this lesson, this chapter, what do we learn? What is the moral? That here we should have the friendship, if we are having any friendship with anyone or any other relation with anyone, it should last long, forever and ever. And the very important thing, it's just a word, trust, but the meaning, it's very great in our life. So अगर ये चीज हमारे relationships में नहीं है, so the relationship will never last forever. Okay, so for this we need to have trust in our relationships. Okay, bye bye students.